Right? This is the center. Starting point from here to the center, another 150 meters. You can walk about 10 or 15 minutes. But when you walk, please mind your head, mind your step.
Okay.
Right? Some area you get smelly seafood.
Yeah.
We have the seafood market. This is a fresh market. The train comes 4 times a day. 4 times a day from Bangkok. This side, yeah. So the train comes to the station 2:30. Everybody 2:30. The train comes to the station, and then meeting here. Please everybody back here 2:45. 2:45. Okay.
Okay.
And I think today not late. The train not late. All right. And we have the red line. The red line. Not stand over the red line. Stand behind.
Okay.
Make sure belly good.
Okay.
And some area just single file line. So let's check. If you like to have a good one, stay in the coffee. Oh, the smell of a durian. There you go. Purple. Oh,
cà phê đại thảo kim sa chảo pha chảo nha na tần hùa chơ lại na điếu nén na mày điếu nén chơi chữ khóc khéo na
100. I would like to try that. What time is 2:45, 1:40. I still have 1 hour. Oh, sorry. Asan na yung train?
เก็บเที่ยง
คนแล้วมาทำคอนเทนต์แล้วก็ทำจ้าตัวปัจจัยอ่ะไหมเนี่ยชอบดูมากจะเป็นไอ้พวกนี้มากกว่าไอ้พวกอะไรอ่ะตอนนี้
100 fish. Maeklong station. There you go.
mấy tờ có ai chứ thùng mấy tờ đâu
What is that? Butterfly, blue pea.
เดี๋ยวหน้านางโรมีจริงรัชกาลที่ 3มีจริงนะ
แมงโก้100 บาทโยสวีท
Oh, this one. I bought the mango here. 100 only. Some are 80 baht. Okay. Only one?
coconut
Yes. And
one coconut
okay.
hai 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 hai
Very good performance. Ang daming crop. Okay, they're moving it.
You sit down, please.
Sit down. Just sit down. Okay, they're moving away their tolda because the train is going fast right now.
열차가 이동 중에 있는 안전한 곳으로 대기하여 주십시오. 대기하는 동안 안전사고 및 소매치기에
Just
주의하여
very
주시기
quick, sorry.
바랍니다.
Just very quick. Where is it coming from here?
I heard
This from this.
this way.
Okay. You see?
차가 저기 여기. 아, 이렇게.
Just to have a last. Okay.
โปรดทราบอีกสักครู่จะมีขบวนรถไฟเข้ามาจอดเทียบชานชาลาสถานีผู้โดยสารผู้ค้าขายนักท่องเที่ยวโปรดระมัดระวังอันตรายจากขบวนรถไฟที่อาจจะเกิดขึ้นได้โปรดยืนห่างจากรางหลังเส้นสีแดงโปรดยืนห่างจากรางหลังเส้นสีแดงด้วยความปรารถนาดีจากกองบัญชาการตำรวจท่องเที่ยวโทร 1155
Attention please, from oncoming or departing trains. Please always be aware of standing behind the red line. Standing behind the red line.
There you go. Look at her. Come back. Come back. But this is the meeting and you can stop for long. Okay, check your belonging before leaving. Not to leave anything here. Don't forget anything. Yes. Have a good time. Have a good day, everybody. Thank
have
you.
Have a good evening. ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณค่ะ So we're done. Okay, they're serving crocodile.
Only down by the back.
Oh, there's the mixed fruits here. How much is the 50 baht? Dragon fruit. Okay. I'm going to the bus. I don't know where I'm gonna. The other side or.
buses. I don't know, I'm gonna cross. To the left. Cross. Okay, here. Here. Yeah. I'm going before democracy. Okay, that's the bus stop. Okay. So, first time kong nag-take ng bus dito sa Thailand. Ang binayaran ko lang is 15 baht, air condition sa okay. 3 more stops. 15 baht drop off here, Peninsula Plaza. So I have to walk going back. Grand Hyatt Irawan. Yeah, a bit windy, you see? Pala dito. Maeklong District. Okay. Gasorn. Okay. Oh, Gasorn. We've been there. And yeah, Louis Vuitton everywhere. After the touring, so they have all the time the temple here.